Okay, I'm doing a transmission swap on a 2006 Saturn ION level 3 with the automatic transmission 4T45E. There's a new transmission over there. Well, not new, it's used, but supposedly only has 122,000 miles on it. Bought it for $300, and as you can see, I got the car pretty high off the ground, and over here I kind of used a leverage bar to stop the rotor from turning while I broke the wheel bearing nut loose. And that's all I got for right now. This is going to be a step-by-step process. And I don't think it's the correct socket, but it's the one I've used when I took this apart last time when I thought I had the transmission fixed. It's 1 3/16 of an inch socket. So there you go. I'll update you here after a while. Okay, I am not an ASE certified mechanic. I'm not suggesting that anybody do it this way, but I have been working on this stuff a long time. I've been working on stuff my whole life, and this is just how I in particular am doing this job. So I'm not advising anyone to do it in any way. This is just how I do it. So I took the caliper and the thing that the caliper mounts to off. I hung the caliper on the spring with a piece of wire to keep it up out of my way. I'm going to be taking the rotor off, and next, well, I'm not sure what next. I guess I'm going to try to get this spindle off of here so I can get my half shaft out. So I'll update you later. Okay, keep in mind, I've had this out previously when I tried to fix the transmission before, when I replaced the shift solenoids. So this thing right here, the wheel bearing hub, that's probably going to be stuck in there pretty good. So it's going to take probably quite a bit to get it out, because this is a 2006. There's all kinds of corrosion on there, because it's, well, I'm not even sure what it is. I think it's cast aluminum or cast something, because it has a white corrosion on there. But it took 3 15mm bolts that held it in from the back side, and this should come out pretty easy. See how easy that came out? But that's because I had it out previously. I cleaned it up and put grease and stuff on it, and there wasn't nothing to taking that out, thank the Lord. So that's what it looks like on the back side. That's just a little spacer, but that's what it looks like on the back side. So I'll check back with you here later. Okay, basically it's going to be the same exact deal over here on the passenger side, only opposite. So that's pretty obvious, but I just wanted to make that clear. Okay, so there's 2 bolts holding this thing on right here, the spindle or whatever the hell you want to call it, and they have these little teeth at the end. So that's the part that comes off, and then when you get to the end, you take a hammer and tap it out the opposite way of the nut, out that way. And I thought I was gonna have to take the subframe off. I don't know if I can get the damn subframe off, because the nut on this I guess it's I'm not sure what the hell it's called really. I guess it's a control arm that's connected to the, I guess that's a sway bar. But either way, I cannot get neither nut loose, so I'm going to have to try to take this transmission out without dropping the whole subframe. So this is just how I'm doing it. I'm at the very end of that, so I'm going to show you real quick. There you go. and I'll update you when I get further along.